Mind-blowing industrial machines that redefine efficiency, Part 2. Have you ever stood inside a factory, surrounded by the clash of steel on steel, with robotic arms swinging like armored fighters, and just felt overwhelmed? That moment when every movement is so precise it feels almost unreal? When every bolt, every metal plate, every stream of material slides through the line as if guided by an invisible conductor? That's where technology starts touching the edge of art. Today, we're stepping into a world exactly like that. A world where industrial machines don't just operate, they perform. Where productivity isn't just optimized, it's redefined. Where every motion makes you take a step back and whisper, "I can't believe humans built this." Picture an automated production line where glowing red steel cuts like butter. A massive CNC machine spinning its cutting head so fast, the rushing air creates its own sound. A robotic arm picking up tiny components with hair-thin precision, or hydraulic presses powerful enough to crush dozens of tons of metal, yet quiet as a breath. That's not just engineering. That's engineering at its peak, where human intelligence and passion breathe life into cold metal. And if you're someone who loves factory machines, industrial machines, satisfying machines, smart tools, automation tech, you know that feeling exactly. Your heart beats faster, your eyes lock in, your whole body gets drawn into every mechanical move, like watching a factory machine's compilation, but so real, you can almost feel the heat radiating off the steel. These machines don't just work. They tell the story of how humans conquer materials, reinvent processes, and turn the impossible into the new standard of modern manufacturing. And if you're ready to go deeper into that world where heavy machinery, automation systems, and smart factories merge into one powerhouse ecosystem, then hold on tight, because this journey is only getting started. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a single moment of engineering magic. Because the deeper you step into the world of industrial machines, the clearer it becomes these aren't just machines at work. They're symbols of human thinking and human ambition. Look at a modern production line. Gone are the days when workers had to stand for hours beside scorching presses or make risky manual measurements. Now you've got a fully automated system that moves like a living organism, where sensors, motors, algorithms, and robots connect like neurons inside a brain. Today's industrial machines aren't just powerful, they're smart. A laser cutter that auto-adjusts its focus when the material bends. A robot sorting products with an AI camera, making decisions in milliseconds. A conveyor belt that shifts speed under heavy load, saving energy and minimizing wear. And all of it pushes toward one single goal: maximum efficiency with absolute precision. That's why high-efficiency machines, advanced automation systems, and smart tools have completely reshaped the global industry. It's not just about producing faster, it's about producing safer, cleaner, steadier, and with fewer mistakes than ever before.
Think about a traditional industrial workflow. It relied on people, on skill, on touch, on personal experience. Beautiful, but fragile. One tiny flaw, an invisible crack, a 0.5 degree miscut could ruin an entire batch. But now, inside a smart factory, every metric is monitored in real time. Machines warn you before a component fails. Algorithms predict the exact moment maintenance is needed. Data flows non-stop, optimizing every single move. Technology no longer just makes products. It creates certainty, the stability every production line dreams of. And here's the part most people overlook. When you watch industrial machines in motion, they're not just running code. They're executing a vision. Behind every robotic arm is someone who stayed up all night perfecting an algorithm. Behind every flawless production line is a team of mechanical engineers, automation specialists, and programmers who poured their youth into turning a blueprint into reality. The machines are powerful, but the meaning behind them is even more powerful. They are the undeniable proof that technology isn't just a tool, It's how we extend our own abilities. It's the bridge between the limits of the body and the infinity of the mind. And once you understand that, you stop seeing industrial machines as mere production equipment and start seeing them as engineering heritage, where passion and science live side by side. Amid the roaring motors and the cold, razor-sharp movements of steel, there's a deep lesson anyone who loves technology eventually realizes. No matter how powerful a machine is, it's only as powerful as the person who built it. We're amazed by six-axis robots spinning like steel dancers. We're drawn to automated lines that run with Swiss watch precision. We're captivated by mechanical systems that transfer force effortlessly. Strong, yet delicate, accurate down to microns. But if you look deeper, you'll see, behind all of it are human hands and human minds. A mechanical engineer spends months optimizing a single cylinder assembly. A PLC programmer sits up night after night fixing a tiny logic error. A team of technicians tests, adjusts, disassembles, reassembles, repeating the cycle hundreds of times just to make a production line run 1% smoother. Industrial machines, automation systems, and smart tools are just the visible tip of the iceberg. The real mass beneath is passion, patience, and the spirit of mastering technology. In manufacturing, nothing is accidentally efficient. No machine is coincidentally precise. Every bit of perfection is paid for, with effort, experiments, failures, and an obsession for every detail. That's why when you watch a production line running flawlessly, you're not just seeing a mechanical system. You're looking at a collective masterpiece, a work of art written in the sweat of machine builders, the meticulous hands of assembly technicians, and the vision of production managers. And the greatest lesson of all is this: technology doesn't replace people. Technology amplifies people. A regular person with regular tools creates regular results, but someone with passion paired with powerful tools creates the extraordinary. Smart factories don't just make production faster, they open new careers, new opportunities, new skill sets.
They create the environment for humans to become sharper versions of themselves, more precise, more thoughtful, more creative. Because in the world of industrial machinery, everyone understands one truth. A machine can create a product, but only people can create the future. And when you're standing in the heart of a factory, feeling the heat of steel, hearing the rhythm of machines, watching robots spin as if they're engraving the future of industry, you finally understand, we're not just building factories, we're building the capability of civilization itself. As this journey reaches its final chapter, look back at what we've just witnessed. From robotic arms moving like dancers in midair, to automated lines operating with near-perfect precision. From hydraulic presses strong enough to crush tons of metal, to intelligent devices that learn, optimize, and adapt to the tiniest fluctuations of the process. You've seen the power. You've seen the finesse. But most importantly, you've seen the beauty of human intellect. In the world of factory machines, industrial machines, satisfying machines, smart tools, and automation technology, every movement has purpose. No rotation is wasted. No cut is accidental. Everything exists because someone, some engineer, once asked, how do we make this better? And that question opened an entirely new era of manufacturing, where performance isn't measured by percentages, but by a philosophy. Not just faster, but smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable. Today's industrial machines aren't just displays of mechanical strength. They're symbols of technological evolution, the shared language of every modern industry, from metallurgy and precision machining to mold casting, plastic injection, CNC cutting, automated logistics, and the smart factories shaping tomorrow. But what makes these machines extraordinary isn't the motors, the pressure, or the insane spindle speed. What makes them extraordinary is the ambition of the people who command them. Think about it. An automated production line doesn't appear out of nowhere. An AI sorting system doesn't magically learn how to see. An industrial robot just doesn't know its job. Everything begins with a person, an engineer, someone bold enough to try, to fail, and to keep pushing forward. And that's the energy we have to protect. Because technology evolves not to replace us, but to challenge us to become better, faster, more precise, more analytical, more creative, more patient. A machine only knows how to work, but a human knows why they work. And that purpose, that meaning, is what drives the entire industry forward. So if your heart races when you see a robot gliding flawlessly, if you feel that surge of excitement when an automated line flows like liquid, if you get that deeply satisfying feeling watching a CNC machine shave metal so thin it borders on art, then remember this: you don't just like machines, you belong in this world. A world where engineering meets emotion, where technology meets passion, where machines do the work, but humans create the meaning. And if you want to keep walking with us on this journey, exploring the most powerful industrial machines, the most impressive factory machines, the smartest automation systems, then don't forget,
Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a single breathtaking moment from the world of technology. Because this journey is only getting started. Stronger machines are coming. Smarter production lines are emerging. The smart factories of the future are taking shape, and we will be the ones to tell their story. Machines don't build the future, people do.